for your pantry reveal. Did you ever think you'd be this excited to see a pantry?
No, I feel like an adult. For the first time.
She had a child, but now it's a pantry.
Now I feel like an adult.
Okay, here we go. You ready, Amish? You ready, Ava? You ready? Let's go! No.
Oh my God!
Your vitamins.
Oh my God!
Okay, so I'm going to take Hannah through the pantry before I start crying now. This is, and I know how hard you've worked for this.
Yes.
Okay? No, but you better keep this pantry the way it looks today.
Why would I not?
Okay, so so basically the baskets at the top here are for the things you don't use as often, maybe like cake making and stuff, cupcake making, party stuff, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
And then we come down here, we've got the cereals, and check this out. So these pop out like this with handles.
Oh my God.
So these are from Howard Storage. But look, feel, oh no, Ava, have a feel, have a look, feel, what do you think?
Can you carry that?
You want to try? You like this? Yes, that's the cereal. Okay, and then we've got pastas. I've got so freezing time. Now up there is also stuff you don't need as often. Honey,
I love you, but I'm not hearing anything.
Okay,
I'm just going, oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm gonna listen. I'm gonna listen. Look, just listen. But well, you can watch this tape. You can watch this video about it anyway. Okay, so let's be honest here. Okay, so these are now all your like small containers. I've got the flip tight and the OXO containers here, okay?
Yeah.
I know to you this is gibberish, but you as a mum, this is going to be very important to know the difference.
I need to learn this stuff.
Okay, yes. So these keep everything like, air fresh, it's airtight, keeps everything fresh, fresher for longer. You don't get any of those, do you know what weevils are? You know the pantry moths?
Yeah.
I saw some in your pine nuts earlier.
I know you had to throw them
We
away.
threw them away. But with this, it will never happen again. Okay, Ava can touch. It's great. Yeah, you want some lentils? Yes, it's very healthy. So then we've got your bread bin. I've got coffee, tea, sugar. Then check this out.
Oh my. They have a stage.
Yes.
My tins have a stage.
The tins
First, second,
have a
third.
stage, yes. And then now look at this. Watch this. Okay, guys, you ready for this? Hannah, just watch Hannah's reaction and this at the same time. 1, 2, 3. They spin. Wacko.
It's so fancy.
I know, it's so fancy. So we've got all your spices here to cook all those dishes that you were saying you love to cook.
Yeah.
And then we've got here all your condiments. How cool is this? Like,
This
really?
is amazing.
Just getting Hannah's reaction is why I do this. And plus I like organising. And then here, okay, got to see this. Can you come in
Oh my
here,
gosh,
guys?
this
Okay.
was the first thing I saw.
Okay.
This is amazing.
So this I like to set up, it's a daily station, okay? These
Yeah.
are the vitamins. You asked me for a place to put the vitamins, okay?
Yeah.
This is it. Every day at arm's reach, in the right place, not up high, not too low, because you need to access it easy,
Yeah.
okay? Then I've got here the vinegars, oils. Again, I put them in plastic with a handle. These are called Mimi organisers from Howard's because if anything leaks, you can clean it up just in the container. It doesn't leak all over the floor. That's why everything is contained. to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God.
She's got big socks.
How am I getting overwhelmed? I've literally travelled the world for 10 years and I'm getting overwhelmed by a pantry.
Yes. Well, this is the best it gets at COVID, okay? Like after lockdown. So this really is like a taking a holiday, isn't it?
This is amazing.
So yeah, and then here, I've got to show you this. Ava, this is your section. So we've got Ava Cuisine, and I've got Ava Brekkie and Snacks.
Nice.
Okay, and this is going to work with you. So these containers, even, obviously Ava's going to grow up and we're going to have different foods, but these will work with you. So you just change the labels.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we can use whatever else we need. We've got Mexican, we've got rice and noodles, snacks, crackers, your stock, your juices. There is a place for everything.
I don't know how to organise big spaces like this. I'd probably have everything in the corner and it would all be there, the rest of it.
So when I first came here and had a look at this area, right, when Hannah bought her home, it was such a underutilized pantry, as in the space. I mean, we've taken this all the way to the ceiling now, okay? And these shelves are adjustable, so it doesn't matter what Hannah or her family decides to store on here, you can change it up. That's why I wanted to make something super versatile for you.
And do you know what?
So if you want to add more wine in here.
Well, that's what I was about to say. I'm sure that not many people come to you and say it's important that my wine fridge is in the pantry.
Yes,
and
that is
you
true.
managed to do this
And fit in a wine fridge.
and fit in my wine fridge, which was a weird priority, but it's my priority. So.
And everyone is very happy about it. So and I just want to say, getting to know you because of a pantry has been one of the biggest pleasures for me. Like seriously, who knew that a friendship could be born out of organising someone's home? It actually happens quite often. So thank you so much.
Thanks.
No, I mean like
thought I was rare.
No, it's like when you're in someone's home, you learn about them and you get close to them. And this has been this is a real friendship for me.
Yeah,
now, so.
no, I know. It's been amazing.
Okay, Ava, high fives. Let's go.
High five.
Can we high five?
Yes.
Yay!